Hi guys, afternoon. Today without plan, we make a tour after pick up Zachary from school. We went around the hill. Now we are at Kampung Perik. Now only we stop for lunch, and we found many beautiful places. The Sungai Kedah, in somewhere in behind the mountain or the hill. I don't know. The first time we went there, it was beautiful nature. So it was a surprise to us to drive around. When you drive at the main street, you don't see anything. You only see traffic, normal houses. But when you go around the nature, you can see more beautiful things, and you can see tiny house, plantation, orchard. So now we are here. We stop for our food. This is Kampung Perik. Kampung Perik is like a valley, yeah, behind the hills, and there are a few campsites here in the nature. So it must be beautiful. We saw huge river, the Kampung area surrounded by hills. You can see later. Okay, we're gonna have our food. I'm here at Kampung Perik, Dusun Pakngah Samat. It's a very beautiful, full of natural. You can listen to the river, the water running. Very nice, very calm. Beautiful landscape. You can see lots of species here. Saya berada di Kampung Perik, Dusun Pakngah Samat. Pertama kali sampai di sini, ke penghujung kampung di sini, dia punya landscape, pokok-pokok, air sungai yang jernih, memang cantik. Disediakan tempat untuk berkelah. Siapa nak berkelah sehari dengan family. Madu kelulut, this one. Very nice, beautiful, so nice, beautiful plants. Cantik. What's that? Okay. Enjoy the scenery, the view of this kampung, of this Dusun Pakngah Samat.